If you want to change the lock screen clock on OnePlus 15, here's what you can do. So first of all, we're gonna go to settings. Next, in settings, we can scroll down a little bit. You should be able to find home screen, lock screen, and style. And in here, we can see our lock screen. So we're gonna tap on it. Here we have our clock. I'm gonna actually move the wallpaper a little bit down in order to reveal the whole clock. And we can tap on it in order to customize it. So first, we have the additional info. We can completely disable it, add the weather and the time, and also we can add the pedometer. Besides that, we have 3 different styles that we can go for. So as you can see, we can choose the one that you like the most. And over here, we can also choose the font that you wish to apply. So let's say I'm going to stick with this one. We have the slider for the thickness. And in here at the bottom, we have colors. So we can choose a custom color in here. There we go. You can adjust it quite easily. You can choose whichever color you wish to use. There we go. And that is pretty much it. Unfortunately, it seems that we cannot really zoom in or zoom out with the clock. We cannot make it bigger or smaller. This is all we got. So let's tap on apply in order to save these changes. Now in here, as you can see, we also have different themes that we can apply, and they have a slightly different position for the clock. There are also different clocks, entirely different clocks. So you might want to actually start by choosing a new theme, like a completely different flux theme, and then you can choose a different clock in here. So as you can see, now we have completely different font for the clock. So you might be actually happy or happier with this style of the clock. Of course, the wallpaper can still be changed. You can still make changes to the wallpaper if you want to. As you can see, here is another one. But I believe this is actually pretty similar. No, it's actually the same, it just has like a different style. So choose the one that you like the most, and then you can go from that point forward. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.